cavity. Now we look at how the facade is ventilated and how to prevent the passage of fire. The minimum cavity width should be 20 millimeters. This will permit both air movement to evaporate moisture and a drainage path for water to run down the rear of the panels and out at the bottom of the cladding. Please note that this 20 millimeters is only suitable for low-rise buildings and will increase as the building gets taller. Air must be allowed to enter at the base of the facade, travel unobstructed up the wall and exit at the top. Openings at the base, parapet or under and over windows should be provided. These openings must be protected with a perforated profile which maintains the airflow and importantly prevents the entry of vermin and birds into the cavity space. One challenge that arises from time to time is how to prevent the passage of fire in the cavity. Ventilated cavity barrier remains open until a fire causes it to seal up.